guys, it's me, Drew. And in 4 days, because right now it's December 21st, it will be Christmas! But what is Christmas? Let's ask some people around the house. First, I gotta get you guys. And let's go. We're off.
Whoa.
What is it? What is Christmas?
Christmas to me is the season of giving, being able to give to all your family and friends, and being able to see the big smiles on their faces, and being able to spend time with all the people that you love.
Ooh, I see we're gonna have a white Christmas here.
Come on, let's go in the house. We gotta tell.
There's a white Christmas.
We gotta tell Mommy.
Hey,
her.
Grandpa, what is Christmas?
Christmas is for unto us a child is born, a son is given, and the government shall be on his shoulders. And wonderful Counselor, the mighty God, the everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. That is Christmas.
What?
Okay, Jules, tell Mom what just happened out there.
Whoa! Daddy, what is Christmas?
Celebrating the birthday of Jesus.
Okay. Whoa! Juliana, what is Christmas?
She saw a bunch of, she threw them out there, and as soon as she saw, boom, the Blue Jays came
What
down.
is Christmas? What is Christmas?
I don't want to tell you, but I only want to tell you when Grandpa's not here.
Does
Hey, Drew, this is yours, buddy. You didn't drink much of it.
ooh, hot chocolate. So, is there somebody who comes down the chimney and gives you presents? What's their name?
Santa.
So Santa gives you presents?
Wait. When Santa, when we get presents from Santa.
Okay. And now I know what Christmas
I already
is.
said it.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Drew.
Bye.
Drew.